Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Decoded. My name is Sanchit Today. I'm working as Technical Architect SD4 at Adobe, and you guys must be thinking that there will be no video solution for today's Leetcode problem since it's always 9:30 p.m. and it's quite late, but you are mistaken. We have already solved longest consecutive sequence, which is today's Leetcode question in the month of June 2021. The like says it all, the comment says it all. I'm attaching its link in the description below. This problem is based on the concept of two pointers and sets, and I have clearly explained the algorithm by various test cases in the question, so do check this out, and I'm pretty sure after you'll go through this video the concept will be crystal clear to all of you. Apart from this, I have two good newses from Coding Decoded channel. What are these? Let's check that out. The first one is from colleague Sadhu. He was one of the early subscribers of the channel who has been associated with it from approximately an year now. He thanked Coding Decoded for getting through Uber. Heartiest congratulations, colleague, and I'm pretty sure that you have miles to go ahead. Keep working hard and keep shining. The second one is from Harshit Arora. He got through Amazon, and in his message he thanked Coding Decoded for showing him the true meaning of consistency. Seeing this message, I got super excited because Coding Decoded is getting known for its consistency, which is a true USB. Over the period of last 2 years, we have solved 800 questions, and in those 800 questions, we have got 14 monthly batches of Leetcode challenges, and I'm pretty sure this is just the start. We have miles to go ahead, and I'm not gonna stop. So all the best, guys, keep working hard, and I'll see you tomorrow with another fresh question. But till then, goodbye, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for viewing it. Have a great day ahead. Actually, great evening ahead. Goodbye.